people's watching from India on my live. Oh, pero di ko sinas... Ha? Bakit? Ayaw mo isahod? Hindi na ako nag-screencast ngayon kasi. Ay, ganon? Ganon ba yun? I-try ko nga. Talagang normal na live yun sa'yo. Ano ba itong ano ko? Sana all. Ano gusto mo bigyan? Hindi ka ba nilalamig dyan? Kuya, ilapag mo yung ano mo. Kuya, ilapag mo yung ano mo, yung bahay mo. Para maano ka. Katulad kay Don. Feels like butter, like criminal undercover. Got gun pop like trouble. Butter. Can you sing butter? Walang jacket. Kaya nga tinatanong kita para malagyan kita ng ano eh. Bakit hindi mo inaano yung sahod mo? Sa amin na lang. Puntahan mo yung bahay ni Kuya ni Kuya Brian at saka ni Don. You speak English, please. I speak English. Yes, I can speak English. Smooth like butter, like pag gusto nyo pag gusto nyo kayo, pasukan, lapag nyo yung bahay nyo para mabilis. Ka from the, taga saan ka from the? Ka from the. Smooth like butter, like criminal undercover, gun pop like trouble, breaking in your heart like that. Cool shit stunner, yeah, I'm only toy and butter. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making me sweet like that. How are you feeling better, my friend? Yeah, I'm feeling better. Do the boogie like side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. I know that I got the hit. Let me show you cause still get cheap. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Oh, you like no others. Need no usher. You're good. Awesome! Hi, Ghost! How are you, Ghost? Yan! Para pasukan ka ni Kuya. Ipasok ko yung isa ko sa'yo. Pasok ko yung isa ko. Side step right left to my beat. Wow, singer din? Singer ka? Singer ka din? Galing naman. Ayan may 4 minutes ako. Pasok ko. Pasok ko yung 4 minutes. I'm fine. Where have you been? I've been looking at you many days already. I never see you. Haters working. Yeah. I was thinking you're working or like studying. Baby, ayun, Kuya Brian. Kuya, lapag ka ng bahay mo. Ayan si Ka from Dio. Ano mo na ba yan? Magkakilala na ba kayo?